let me surprise you with special birthday greetings, full of divine thoughts and blessings. We wish you to cherish every second of this day, enjoy every moment you smile. Today you get feel special, so forget life's troubles and have blast. It is wish of your Papa, Bhaiya, Bhabhi, and Shagun, that your life become enjoyable with our blessings and also best wishes of people around you. Therefore, every time we bless for you. Today on the occasion of your birthday we consider our responsibility to pray for you. Under shadow of prayers, a happy birthday to you. My sweet memories through animated pictures on computer screen I refresh past memories. Asterisk first birthday party arranged by your mother in Jaipur. Entire civil engineering department with family members, more than 30 people, were invited for dinner party. The complete show was managed by your mother. Asterisk up to 2 to 3 years age, you enjoy riding on your papa's shoulder, even in public place like cinema hall. Asterisk first time at the age of 2.5 years you went to nursery school, by college bus, in Jaipur, and Papa Mummy later on went to see you there whether well settled. Asterisk at your age of 5 years, we had been to Nigeria where you began primary schooling. Asterisk in class 6th, you topped in middle school board examination. Asterisk after graduation you started professional career by having your own office of printing publishing house. Asterisk at the age of 22 years, you got married to handsome loving life partner, who is caring for you most of the time and now you are enjoying good family life.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू.
On computer screen following 5 life cycles are shown. 1. Acquiring new hobbies during age less than or equal to 12 years. 2. Career making opportunities during age greater than 12 and equal to 24 years. 3. Family making during age greater than 24 and equal to 36. 4. Family caring during age greater than 36 and equal to 48 years. 5. Social welfare activities during age greater than 48 and equal to 72 years. Happiness percent is computed from birth time sun and transit sun positions of solar clock display for particular life cycle under consideration. Happiness percent depends on factors like health, mental peace and financial status etc. The main motto of current life cycle from year 2021 to 2030 is for social welfare activities. The solar clock followers enjoy to manage day-to-day activities and take right decisions during each life cycle of 12 years. The solar clock followers enjoy to manage day-to-day activities and take right decisions during each life cycle of 12 years. The solar clock happiness index is worked out to appraise you about future events from year 2021 to 2030. On computer screen your happiness index is worked out for the years 1970 to 2030 to draw the graph and make you aware of future events. 1. Happiness index at birth time in 1970 is equal to 73.61%. 2. Happiness index in 2018, after 4th life cycle, is equal to 61.11%. 3. Happiness index in 2021, at present, is equal to 75%. 4. Happiness index in 2030, end of 5th life cycle, is equal to 84%. Timeline happiness graph is presented in two ways, bar chart and timeline happiness progress year-wise. It will be useful to you to manage your future plans. The rise of happiness index indicates career building, family caring, professional success, marriage etc. Fall of happiness index is due to ill health, some kind of setback in business success, or financial shortages etc. Dear viewers, you have seen very special application of solar clock timeline happiness graph in designing videos of special occasion. If anyone is interested in unique video greetings design of any occasion, you may contact us. As you know, we regularly launch videos on following. 1. Solar clock application in decision making on day-to-day problems. 2. Use of Shagun Soft apps to boost monthly income of our followers through work from home options. 3. Arrange video making contest to motivate inherent talents of our followers. Through our channel's viewership, we understand that you eagerly look forward to new videos on education reform. Therefore, we request you to subscribe the channel immediately so that you get new videos timely. Our phone number 9755039605. WhatsApp number 9340270892 and email ssgraphicdod@gmail.com. Thank you.